How long should a book be? I'm going to talk about why it doesn't really matter in today's video, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale L. Roberts, a best-selling author as well as a self-publishing advocate who wants to show you how to publish books that sell. And today I'm going to be answering the age-old question of how long should a book be? And you often will hear me say it varies, it depends, and it's not just because I'm being wishy-washy or flaky. It really does depend on your niche. There's 3 ways to determine your book length, and I'm going to discuss each one of these 3 things and telling you why these are the things that matter most when it comes to determining the length of your book. So let's start out with number 1, audience expectations. Know who your reader is, know who you're writing for, and what they have come to expect. So if they're normally used to reading, let's say, romance novels that are, let's say, 50 to 80,000 words, then chances are pretty likely you're going to want to make sure that you meet those expectations when you write a romance novel for those readers. Same thing would go for any romance short story readers. If they're reading stories that are about 3,000 to 10,000 words long, you're going to want to make sure you meet those expectations. Number 2. The bestsellers list. Now this is a crude way of doing it, but we're going to figure out the average page count so it gets it to where you have at least a ballpark figure of what the successful books are doing as far as number of pages. Go to Amazon, search your niche by keyword, select any book and scroll to its product details. Click the category, add the page count of the top 20 books and divide it by 20 to get your average page count. That's simple. It's going to give you a crude idea of the average number of pages that you're going to want to kind of shoot for. Hey, just as a reminder, if you're enjoying some of this content, make sure that you smash in the thumbs up button. Of course, if you want to learn more about how to write and publish books that sell, make sure, of course, you hit the subscribe, ring the bell notification icon so you don't miss a single one of these videos. Here comes point number 3, value. This is the most important thing when it comes to how long should a book be. Make it as long as it needs to be to deliver the right value to the reader. I mean, think about the previous 2 ways and try to use those as a barometer. But the most important thing is write until you deliver the value that they've come to expect in the marketplace and that they've come to expect from you as an author. Speaking of writing, I mean, would you like to know how to outline a book and write a book on a busy schedule? Believe it or not, I've got another video queued up here for you right here. You're gonna go take a look at that where I do a deeper dive on how to outline a book and write it on a busy schedule. I'll see you there.